If you want to modernize and make your farming more efficient, today we'll show you 6 advanced machines that will take your work to the next level. 1. Tanko 1320 Round Baler, the easy solution for straw management. A farmer is manually collecting straw, which looks difficult and time-consuming. Then, the Tanko 1320 Round Baler arrives and within minutes turns the straw into round bales. The farmer happily operates the machine. Benefits: more work in less time. This machine quickly gathers and secures the straw. Easy fodder storage. Round bales prevent spoilage and make storage more convenient. Less labor, more profit. Compared to traditional methods, this machine saves both time and effort. Easy transportation. Moving bales from the field to storage is much easier. 2. Round baler wrap and stack wrapper, the best way to preserve fodder. Open fodder is getting spoiled, but then a machine wraps the bales in plastic and keeps them fresh. Benefits: fodder stays fresh for months. More nutrition for livestock. 30 to 40% reduction in fodder waste. This ensures fresh and nutritious feed for livestock while preventing financial losses for farmers. 3. Plastic mulching machine. Save water, increase yield. The soil in the field is drying out, then the machine spreads plastic and the plants grow faster. Benefits: retains soil moisture, reduces weed growth, enhances crop development. 4. Bed farming machine, the first step to modern agriculture. A farmer is manually preparing the land, taking too much time. Then the bed farming machine arrives and prepares perfect beds in minutes. Benefits: even and well-prepared land, efficient drainage, fewer weeds, uniform seed growth, higher yield. If you want uniform crop growth and higher yields, the bed farming machine is essential for you. It evenly divides the land into beds, improving drainage, reducing weeds, and ensuring healthier plant growth. 5. Big Bud 165747, the world's most powerful tractor. A massive tractor is working in the field, and its engine roars loudly. Benefits: 1,100 horsepower, incredible power, covers large fields quickly, ideal for big farms. This is the Big Bud 16V747, the world's most powerful tractor. With 1,100 horsepower, it works efficiently on large farms, saving both time and money for farmers. 6. Strawmaster, a machine that boosts soil fertility. The soil appears hard, then the machine spreads straw, making the land soft and fertile. Benefits: soft and fertile soil, better crop growth, less need for fertilizers. Good soil guarantees a good harvest, and the Strawmaster plays a key role in this. It spreads straw in the field, enhancing soil fertility and increasing plant nutrition. These 6 machines can revolutionize farming: less labor, higher yield, and more profit. Conclusion: if you want to modernize agriculture and reduce manual labor, these machines are a must-have. These machines will change the fate of farmers. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on which machine you